Insert your phone on the included installation mount. Clean your phone screen completely. Peel the protective film off the bottom of the film, and then install the front and rear positioning holes on the posts. Using the included installation card, start from the bottom and push through firmly to the top. Make sure that the surface film of the protective film is peeled off. If the film still has bubbles, lift up half the screen protector to remove the bubbled area and firmly reapply it using the card included.